Toothbrushing mistakes you must avoid. Brushing your teeth as part of your morning and evening rituals plays an important role in oral hygiene. It helps you maintain good oral health by removing food particles, debris and plaque from your teeth and bacteria from your mouth. Here are the top 5 toothbrushing mistakes that you must avoid. Mistake number 1. Using the wrong toothbrushes come in different sizes, and most people do not know which size to pick and often do not give it any thought. To clean your teeth correctly, you need to use a properly sized toothbrush. Mistake number 2. Choosing the wrong bristles. Just like there are different sizes of toothbrushes, they are also made with different bristles. They may have straight, round, angled or zigzag bristles. Mistake number 3. Not brushing adequately. For overall oral health, the American Dental Association recommends brushing your teeth at least twice a day and preferably 3 times. You must brush in the morning, before going to bed and, if needed, after eating a meal. Mistake number 4. Brushing too frequently. Some people are overly hygiene conscious and end up brushing their teeth too frequently. If you brush more than 3 times a day, it can harm your teeth. Mistake number 5. Not replacing your old toothbrush. Many of us use a toothbrush as long as we can. But this is a big mistake that you must avoid. After using a toothbrush for a few months, the bristles start bending and become frayed. If you liked the video, give us a thumb and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and please share with friends.